Welcome to this lesson on 0 and O. In English, the number 0 can be pronounced in two different ways, 0 and O. Understanding when to use each pronunciation is important for clear communication. Throughout this lesson, you will learn the differences between these two pronunciations and when to use them correctly. Let's compare the two pronunciations. 0 is pronounced as zero and is used in formal contexts like mathematics, science, and technical settings. O is pronounced as O and is used more informally when reading sequences of digits or in casual conversation. Each has specific contexts where it is preferred. 0 is used in mathematics when performing calculations. For example, you would say 5 plus 0 equals 5. In temperature measurements, you say it is 0 degrees today. In sports and statistics, you might say the score was 0-3. These are all formal contexts where the word 0 is appropriate. When reading phone numbers, you should always use 0 for the digit 0. For example, if the number is 555-0198, you would say 555-0198. Similarly, for the number 202-0000, you would say 202-0000. Using 0 ensures clarity and professionalism. O is used differently from 0. You use O when reading sequences of digits informally, such as channel 07 or code 001. In casual speech, you might say I got O, I don't know, maybe $5. O is also used as an exclamation, such as oh, I forgot my keys. These informal contexts call for the O pronunciation. When reading zip codes and area codes informally, you can use O. For a zip code like 90210, you would say 90210. For an area code like 805, you would say 805. For academic years like 2025, you might say 20025. O is commonly used in these informal reading situations. Let's look at common mistakes. It is incorrect to say my phone number is 555-0198. The correct way is to say my phone number is 555-0198. Similarly, saying the temperature is 0 degrees is wrong. You should say the temperature is 0 degrees. Always use 0 in formal contexts and measurements. To summarize, use 0 for mathematics, science, phone numbers, and temperatures. Use O for informal speech, reading sequences of digits, addresses, area codes, and exclamations. Remember that 0 is formal and precise, while O is casual and informal. Practice these rules to communicate clearly in English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.